Today we're going to mount a monitor and put it directly above the headrest so that we can make the perfect adjustment. Here's what we're going to need. A monitor. This is a Google Chromecast that we're going to direct to our monitor. A 2x6. I spray painted this black. We're going to need a 3/4 inch, this is 12 inches long, a black pipe with threads on both ends. We're going to need 2 phalanges, a monitor mount, and another piece of wood to put our monitor mount on there. And then we're going to need some wood screws. Go ahead and put one of the phalanges on like that. And we're going to screw this phalange into the 2x6. Now you're going to want to take the second phalange and go ahead and screw it on top of the pipe. And you're going to flip it upside down and do the same thing. Screw in the phalange to secure it to the board. You're going to take the mount and secure it on the wood and then secure the monitor to the mount. So you're going to want to unscrew the bracket off, and it goes right on the back of the monitor like this. One thing to note is you are going to need a power source for your monitor, and then also a power source. I'm using a Google Chromecast, and that also needs a power source. It's connected to the monitor via Wi-Fi. And there you have it, a slick and clean monitor mount right above the headpiece so that you can deliver a very specific adjustment every single time.